What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Tesla video. In this one, I want to talk about the top 4 accessories you should buy for your Tesla Model 3. There are a ton of different accessories from all sorts of different companies out there that you can purchase for your Tesla, but which are the top 4 that you should have? We're going to look at them today in this video. Coming in at number 4 on my list is a screen protector. When I first got my Tesla Model 3, I didn't think I needed one. However, I got to say, now that I have one, and I personally use the Elon accessory screen protector, it's just so nice having no glare and no fingerprints. I just could not go without one. So this is definitely number 4 and a must-have. Coming in at number 3 on my list is a center console wrap. The black piano gloss look design that Tesla opted for was probably not the best decision. It collects fingerprints and dust, and it is almost impossible to keep clean. So you definitely need to buy a center console wrap. My suggestion, or my personal preference, is the Tesla Bros one, easy to install and just a great product. Coming in at number 2 on my list is floor mats. I don't really think it matters which company you go with, but you really want to protect the carpet and just the floor of your Tesla. I personally got the WeatherTech mats. I'm not a huge fan of them. If I can go back, I would definitely go with the 3D Max Spider mats. I've seen them both in person, mine and those, and I gotta say those are a much better product and they offer much better coverage. However, once again, any type of mat that you use is better than no mat, and definitely you want to buy one. So mats, floor mats is definitely number 2 on my list of must-have accessories. And coming in at number 1 on my list is a storage device. This one had to be number 1. A storage device enables dashcam recording and Sentry mode. So before I had my Tesla, I never bothered buying a dashcam, and now I think it's kind of crazy I went so long without a dashcam. It is that useful of a feature, and the fact it's built in, where you only need to buy a stick-style USB at the bare minimum to get it to work, is just amazing I went so long without it. I do have a video specifically made for the best data storage devices you can buy for your Tesla, so if you're interested in that, check that out. Let me know what you guys think of my list of must-have accessories, my 4 must-have accessories. Let me know if you change it up at all, or if you have any questions or feedback, leave a comment down below. Make sure you guys do subscribe for the latest and greatest Tesla content, and as always, thanks for watching. I will see you guys next time.